Do you know that there's a special way to make money on the internet? You can earn from $300 to $500 every day, and the best part is, you don't have to spend any of your own money. Let's find out how this amazing strategy works. Step 1. To embark on your online money-making journey, the first step is to visit Instagram website, which is like a special place on the internet where folks share their favorite pictures and stories. But guess what? You can actually earn some money by sharing your own posts there. The fantastic thing is, you don't even have to do all the copying and pasting work by yourself. There's a helpful friend called Somibo, an AI bot, that can do all the hard work for you. Just click the Start button, and this smart AI bot will take care of everything. But wait, before we jump into using Somibo, I want to share a secret method with you that can help you make over $300 every day. First, if you don't already have one, create a brand new Instagram account. When you're setting it up, make sure to choose the option for a business or professional account. Now, pick a specific topic or interest that you really like for your Instagram page. Here's the cool part. You don't need any followers at the beginning, and you don't have to sell anything to make money. You can do all of this even if you have 0 followers, and still, you can make over $300 a day. Some great topics to pick from are health, wealth, and relationships. Since you're interested in making money online, I suggest you go with the wealth niche, which is all about the wonderful world of making money on the internet. Step 2. Once you've picked your special topic, the next step is to begin sharing posts from other Instagram pages that are all about making money online. But before we dive into that, let me show you just how much potential there is in running your very own Instagram theme page. Let's take a peek at the Easy Side Hustle Instagram theme page. It's all about the exciting world of making money online. If you take a look at their Side Hustles highlights, you'll see that they can earn over $400 in just one day. Now that's super cool. Also, check out the Money Tops Instagram theme page. It's only been around for 10 months, and they've already gathered a whopping 100,000 followers. If you explore their IG Money highlights, you'll find out that they make an astonishing $3,000 to $5,000 every 2 to 3 hours. In fact, they even raked in over $220,000 in just 1 hour, using the same secret method I'm sharing with you today. The best part is, you can do this from anywhere in the world. Here's another fantastic example. The Income Inspire theme page. The owner hails from India and has over 95,000 followers. In their IG Money highlights, you can witness how they started by making a cool $30 a day. They achieved this by selling digital ebooks about Instagram growth secrets, promoting digital products from ClickBank and Warrior Plus to earn commissions, getting paid for shoutouts, and doing paid sponsorships. Today, they're making close to $1,000 a day, and sometimes even surpassing $1,300 in a single day. This just goes to show how incredibly powerful Instagram theme businesses can be. So for your very own Instagram theme page, what you can do is select the best posts from other pages that are all about making money, and share only the cream of the crop on your own page. For instance, if you come across a post with over 100 likes on Easy Side Hustle Ideas, you can download it and upload it to your page. Just be sure to give credit to the original page in your post description. There are plenty of posts with over 100 likes out there, so you'll have a great starting point to get your page rolling. Step 3. Once you've chosen the posts to share on your theme page, the next step is to select the offers you want to promote to make money using this method. Just like I showed you on the Income Inspire page, there are several ways to make money, such as doing story and post shoutouts, affiliate marketing, and selling digital ebooks. If you're interested, you can give these methods a try too. However, one of the best ways to make money in the make money online niche is through something called CPA marketing. The cool thing about CPA marketing is that you don't have to sell anything. All people need to do is complete a survey, install an app, or provide some basic information about themselves, and when they do, you get paid. To get started, you can use a reliable platform called cpagrip.com. Just create an account on cpagrip and log in. Once you're logged in, move your mouse over to Monetization Tools and select URL or File Lockers. Here, you'll see all the URL lockers you've created. Today, we're going to create a brand new locker, so click the Create New URL Locker button. Scroll down, and you'll find a box to check for the terms of service, then click the Continue button. On this page, you'll set up the offer for your Instagram audience. When your audience completes the offer, they'll be sent to their reward, which is the Instagram Growth Secrets ebook. To get there, scroll down to the bottom of the website, and you'll find a link button for the Instagram Growth ebook. Click on it, and it will take you to another website where you and your audience can access the ebook. Back on CPEGRIP, let's create the offer for your audience. First, click on Templates and pick a template that you like for your offer. Then go back to General Settings. In the name box, write something like Instagram Growth Secrets ebook worth $100. Leave the text button and offer help text as they are. For the header text, copy your name from above and paste it in the box. Write something like human verification. Complete any one offer to proceed. Now, in the locked URL section, paste the link of the website where your audience will be redirected after completing an offer, where they'll find the Instagram Growth ebook. To get this link, go to the Cash Pro giveaway website, scroll down, and click on the button that says Instagram Growth Secrets ebook $100. It will take you to another website where you can find the ebook. Copy the link from there and paste it into the locked URL on CPEGRIP. Now, let's make some changes to the text. For the anchor text, write something like, after completion, you can download the Instagram Growth Secrets ebook worth $100 for completely free. Your offer is nearly ready, and you can preview it on the right-hand side. Once your audience sees your offer, they will need to complete the human verification. After clicking, they will see some offers such as surveys, app installations, or giveaway-type offers. All they need to do is complete any one of these offers that they see on their screen. As soon as they finish an offer, they will be redirected to a website where they can download the Instagram ebook. On the flip side, when they complete an offer, you will be credited with some money by CPEGRIP, depending on the offer your audience completes. For example, if your audience is from the United States and they complete a cash giveaway offer, you might be credited with $1.20 for each person who completes this offer. Let's say 1,000 people complete your offer. You would earn $1,200. This is how CPEGRIP works, and you get paid by them for each person who completes your offer. Now that you understand how it all works, click on Save to save this locker. This is our locker for your Instagram theme page. Step 4. Now, let's move on to the next step. We're going to use Google Sites, which is a free tool created by Google, to create a website without costing anything. It's like making a special online page that you can share with others. To begin, click on the plus icon, which looks like a cross, to start making your website. Imagine it's like opening a new book. The first thing we'll do is remove something called the header. Think of the header as the title at the top of a book page. We're going to take that away to make our website look just the way we want it to. Next, we'll add something special to our website. It's called an embed option, which is like adding a fun game to your website. You'll find it on the right side of the page. Click on it and make sure to choose By URL, which means we're going to add something from the internet. Now, let's go back to a place called CPEGRIP. Imagine it's like a treasure chest where you can get special things for your website. Find the link that you made just for the people who will visit your website. It's like a secret code to unlock something special. Click on Get Links, and then click on Copy Link to copy this secret code. Now, come back to Google Sites and paste the secret code. Wait a little bit, like when you're watching your favorite cartoon on TV, and then click on Insert to add this cool secret code to your website. It's like adding a magical door to your online world. Now you're almost done. You just need to show your website to the world. To do that, click on the Publish button in the top right corner. It's like when you finish drawing a beautiful picture and you want to share it with your friends. Give your website a special name, like your favorite book title, and then click on Publish. Your Google website will go online for everyone to see, just like a storybook on a library shelf. You can even look at it before others do. Copy the link to your website and paste it in a new tab, just like opening a new adventure book. To make it even more exciting, you can add the link to your website in your Instagram page. But remember, you can only do this on your mobile phone, like when you're playing games on your tablet. It's like putting a sign on your door to let people know where to find your special website. After you've finished creating your website, the most important thing is to tell people about it. If nobody visits your website, then nobody can use the special things you have there, and you won't earn any money. To let people know about your website, start by finding other Instagram pages that are interested in making money, just like you. Imagine it's like finding new friends who like the same games as you do. You can follow the people who follow these pages. This is a quick way to get more friends on Instagram and let them know about your website. When they see that you're following them, they might visit your Instagram page and see that you also talk about making money online. Many of them might follow you back, just like making new friends at school. They will notice the link in your profile, your bio, which is like a secret door to your website where they can start making money with Instagram. When they click the link and do special things on your website, you'll earn money. But here's a tip. When you follow people on Instagram, don't follow too many at once. If you follow more than 30 people in just 5 minutes, Instagram might not like it and could stop you from following more. To help with this, there's a tool called Somibo that you can use on your computer. It's like having a helper who can follow people for you. Open Somibo, click on Open a Module, find Instagram Promo, and then set some $400 a day without working too hard. That's the process for making money online. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Wealth Walk to gain invaluable insight into your way to make money online. Thanks for watching and see you at the next one.